Hello everyone, this is Jay and good morning. It is Sunday and I hope everyone had a nice Thanksgiving and also all of you get your Black Friday shopping done. I know I got some of the Black Friday shopping done. But let's go right into the video, which is my weekly updates and buys. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate how the channel is growing. The channel is at 300 subscribers, which is awesome. I did not think I was going to get there to that many subscribers. But I really appreciate everyone's support. All right, so let's go right into the video, which is my portfolio consists of 34% ETFs, 19% real estate, 16% financials, 10% healthcare, 12% consumer staples, 3% information technology, and 2% consumer discretionary. All right, so let's go right into my updates tab, which is what I do every Sunday, and we review all of my purchases which I made on Friday, and let's go right into it, which is right here. These are all of the purchases that I made. As you guys see right here in column C, everything was done on Friday, November 24th. The market was only open until 1, so I was able to do it around 11-ish, 11 o'clock. So definitely took advantage of this. So let's go right into my purchases, which it was $25 into SCHD. Of course, I make a purchase of SCHD every Friday. No matter where the price is at, I purchase at least $25. Sometimes I make a larger purchase if I deposit some more money, if I have extra money. But this time it was $25 into SCHD, which is my favorite ETF. Share price was $71.69 at the time of purchase. Then I put $20 into VYM, $5 more. I really want to grow this position. I want to continue to purchase more and more and grow it into my second largest position. The share price was at $106.02 when I made the purchase. Then J&J, $15. J&J is on a dip right now, so I'm trying to take advantage of it. They had an ex-dividend date of Monday, so any purchases that I had the week prior, I will be getting paid a dividend from that. And I think it is in December, if I'm not mistaken. I'll be getting a nice dividend from J&J. Share price was at $152.40, which is under my cost, and that was awesome. Then FXAIX, I always put $10 every Friday. Share price was $158.61. That's the S&P 500 index fund from Fidelity. Then Vici, I put $10. It is still under my cost. I'm trying to continue to bring my cost down. This is a nice real estate company with a good dividend growth. Do your research on it. I definitely like it a lot. Share price was $28.59. Then I put $5 into each one of these, which it was Kenvue, KVUE. Share price was $20.43, so I'm bringing my cost down on that one. Then PFE, another $5. Share price was $30.68. Then KO, Coca-Cola, Warren Buffett's company, pretty much. The share price was $58.47, so it was a little bit above my cost, but I still made the purchase. It's still under 60, so I like it anytime it's under 60 as of right now. And then my last purchase was Realty Income for $5. Share price was $53.86. I hope you guys saw my last video on Realty Income. It has been going up as of lately in the past month. So I kind of slowed down because it grew into my second largest position pretty much. But I like that I took advantage of it, definitely. So we'll go right into my portfolio. But here it is. The total in purchases was $99.68. So I was only able to deposit $100 this week. Next week I'll get paid from my second job. So hopefully I'm able to deposit a little bit more. All right, so let's go right into my portfolio, which is my favorite spreadsheet right here. And this one shows the symbol for each company, the company name in column B. Then in column C shows the total shares that I have of each one. So I like to go through each one right here. So SCHD, of course, I'm at 31 shares. It is my top position. My cost per share is $72.44, which is awesome. I'm in the negative by $20. Then Realty Income O, I'm almost at 25 shares. I'm trying to get to 25 shares before it goes back up into the 60s, which I think it will. Of course, this is not financial advice, and this is just me believing that it will go back up. But I'm still taking advantage. I'm still putting $5 into each one. I have $1,421 invested into this company, which is my second largest position. My cost, I was able to bring it down to $58.20, which I like it. I think one of my subscribers had, if I'm not mistaken, I don't remember who it was. I'm sorry for that. But their cost is like $48, which is awesome. I wish my cost was at $48. So I'm in the negative by $100 only, which is not bad. And I feel like this company is going to continue to go up, but I feel like I took advantage of it. I'm good. I'm good on that one. Bank of America, haven't invested any more money. I'm still at the 28 shares. My cost is $28.49. My performance is I'm in the plus by $35. Then Johnson & Johnson, I'm definitely trying to take care of this dip. If it continues on a dip next week, I'm going to put some extra money also next week. As of right now, that's the plan. I'm almost 4.5 shares. My cost per share is $160. So I definitely want to continue bringing my costs down. In my performance, I'm in the negative by $37 right now. My next position is one of my favorite monthly payers, Main Street Capital Maine. They give those special dividends, which I like a lot. They went on a run up. As of lately with Maine, the price right now is at $41. My cost per share is $38. I'm in the positive by almost $50. I did not make any purchases. I do want to continue growing this company. 25 shares of Main Street Capital. I really like their special dividends and how they pay monthly. My next one is VYM, which I'm really trying to grow into my second spot. I'm at 5.1 shares right now. The price, it went up also. I'm in the positive by $8. The price is at 106 as of Friday, which is where I made my purchase pretty much. And my cost per share is 104. So I bought it up above my cost. But this is an ETF that I'm planning on holding very, very, very long term, if not forever. And hopefully passing it down to my kids and grandkids. So this probably in like 30 years from now, this is going to be dirt cheap. Most likely, right? Procter & Gamble PG, it is way above my cost. I'm in the positive by $49. My cost per share is $136. Price is at $151. I really want to continue growing. I'm going to try to put $5 here and there. Maybe next week when I deposit some extra money. I couldn't do it this week because I ran out of money, but but let me see if next week I can. All right, so my next holding is KO Coca-Cola, one of my favorite positions. It is above my cost right now at $58.57 as of Friday, and my cost per share is $57.53. I really took advantage of that dip when it was around $52, $51. I made purchases every week when it was around that price. I'm in the positive by $7 right now, but it looks like it's going to go back up into the 60s. Do you guys hold Coca-Cola? I really, really like this one. I'm planning on holding long term. My S&P 500 index fund, 2.3 shares. I'm in the positive by $23. So that's a regular one that I'll be holding very, very long term also. PFE Pfizer, I am in the negative by $47, but I'm really, really continuing to invest in it. I've been doing at least $5. Some weeks I have done $10, $15. So I'm right now at 10 shares. I started this position like at the end of June, so I've been very, very bullish. As you guys can see right here, $363 that I have invested in it. Sorry about that, I moved it. The price right now is at $30, so I'm gonna continue buying when it's under my cost. I really want to bring it down, and then I want to hold long term. Then Apple, I'm almost at 1.5 shares. This one ran up again. The share price is at $189. I'm up by $85. I wish I would have taken advantage of it when it was around the 132, like I did with Realty Income. And that was one of my videos that I made a couple weeks ago, or maybe over a month ago. that I made that mistake. I was not bullish, even though I really liked the company and I wanted to invest more and more money because I was putting money into other positions, and some of them probably I don't even hold anymore. So I should have been more bullish. But now that I'm gaining some more experience with the stock market slowly, I definitely won't make that mistake again. So let me see. Whenever there's another dip, I'm gonna try to put some more money into Apple. Or let me do some research to see where I want to add. Medical Properties Trust. I'm in the negative by almost $300. This one is hitting me hard. It's hitting my portfolio hard right now. I'm at 59 shares, almost 60. I was gonna purchase another share this week, but I did not have any extra money, so I kept that at where it's at. My cost per share is $9.61, which is pretty much double what it is right now. Then Starbucks is another one that I'm planning on holding long term. This one ran up also. I'm at 2.5 shares. The share price is $102.78 as of Friday. My cost is $88.68, which is awesome. I'm in the positive by $36. So I'm holding on that one, but I like it anytime it's under 100. I'm gonna continue purchasing more if it goes under $100. Vici, which is one of my other favorite real estate companies. I have 7.7 shares. The share price is still under my cost. I'm in the negative by $10. The share price is at $20.66 as of Friday, and my cost per share is $30. So I want to continue purchasing more of that one, of Vici. Then CanView, I've been putting on CanView. I have 9.5 shares. I've been putting $5 pretty much every week because it went down. I'm in the negative by $30 because I started my position at IPO. So that's why it is at $23. So I started purchasing it around $24, a little over $24. So that's why I am bringing my cost down right now. I really want to continue bringing it down. I like these companies, the spin-off from Johnson & Johnson. So I'm planning on holding long term also, unless anything changes, of course. But the price right now is at $20.25, so I'm taking advantage of that. And then I still have $145 in cash right there, holding, just waiting, collecting interest right now. I still haven't decided what am I gonna do with that. I really wanted to start positioning Visa, but it ran up. It was my mistake because it was on a dip and I did not notice that dip. I was kind of busy with work and stuff, so and I did not notice that dip. So right now I'm just holding with those $145. So I have my market value right now total is $9,295. So I'm almost at $9,300 right now, which is awesome. I'm getting close to that $10,000 in market value, which is also awesome. Really working very, very hard for that. So I am in the negative by $248 right now. And it's mainly the MPW position right there. So, but I don't mind right now. I'm okay. I'm planning on holding long term. And yes. All right. So let's go right into the right of my spreadsheet, and this is what I'm working towards, which is the estimated yearly dividend to continue to grow. And is right now I should be getting around sorry about that, $377 a year in dividends, an estimation, which is awesome. Definitely $377 that I will be making by doing nothing, just by putting money into the holdings that I have right now, and that's awesome. My estimated yield on cost is 3.75% out of all my holdings. I know the real estate ones and finance ones that are my highest ones, they're probably bringing it up that high right now. But as you guys can see right here, everything, my estimated next dividend for SCHD in December is going to be around $20, and this is calculating with the dividends that they paid in the last video, which it was 65 cents pretty much. But if they pay, which is, I'm thinking they're gonna do like around 71, 72 cents. I'm hoping they do more, of course, per share. in December. But if it's around 71, 72 cents, definitely this will be much, much higher, which is going to be awesome. And the estimated yearly dividend, but of course their price, their dividend payouts always fluctuates. Like they pay different amounts. So, but right now it is at $81, around $81 in estimated yearly dividends, which is awesome. And you guys can see right here, my second largest one is All Realty Income. That should pay me around $75 in the next 12 months if nothing changes, if they continue to pay the same dividend right there. All right. And then my third one, it is right here, Main Street Capital, which is one that I'm really, really trying to grow also. I really want to continue growing that position right there. And then this is my new chart right here, which is the estimated yearly dividends by sector. And the largest the sector that pays me the largest amount, it is real estate at $123 a year of estimated dividends. And then my next one, it is ETFs at $103 in estimated yearly dividend. Then financials, $71. Then healthcare at $38. And then consumer staples at $33. Consumer discretionary and information technology are very, very small. All right, everyone. So let's go into my size my holding size, position size by market value, which is 24% SCHD, 14% All Realty Income, 9% Bank of America, 7.5% J&J, 7% Main Street Capital, 6% BYM, which it was before, it was like around 5 point something percent, and now it's at 6%, which is awesome. Then 5.6% PG, Procter & Gamble. Then all of my other holdings are under 5%, Coca-Cola, Pfizer, Apple, MPW, Starbucks, and others. All right, everyone. So please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can continue to join me in this journey. I really appreciate how the channel is growing. I was thinking on investing in a MacBook, in a laptop for me, to a newer one, pretty much. Just to continue to make videos and make them with better quality and all that. I really want to invest in the channel since it has been growing. It is at 300 subscribers, which is awesome. I really, really appreciate it. And if it just continues to grow, it's going to keep me motivated. And I definitely want to invest in the channel. And so everyone sees the journey, sees that a regular guy just like me that has a regular job, has a family, 3 kids, a wife, I've worked 2 jobs, and I'm still able to somehow manage to invest in the stock market, make my budget, even at $100 a week, which is the minimum that I usually deposit. Look at how the portfolio has been growing. Sometimes I'm able to deposit some more. Sometimes if I get a bonus or I do a side job or anything like that, I definitely put it right into their portfolio because it's money that I did not have it or I did not count on. So I try to put it into the portfolio so it can continue to grow even faster. That's really my strategy right now. But just please subscribe so you can join me and see how a portfolio can grow. Just by depositing and being a DCA investor. Of course, none of this is financial advice, guys, so don't make a portfolio just like mine, or don't purchase any company just because I say so. Always do your research because my strategy might not fit your goals right now. So I have different goals, and I might change my portfolio in the future. You just never know, right? But as of right now, I have a goal in mind, and definitely I'm trying to follow that. All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and I really, really appreciate everyone's support. Please let me know also what purchases did you make this week. I really would like to know. I like to see your opinions, and I like to reply to the comments personally also. All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoy it, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.